Hello everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. And today we're going to talk about a very helpful subject when some of us at times fall off the wagon, do things that are a little bit contrary to the keto diet and lifestyle, like having something very high in carbohydrates one day and exceeding our limits. We get back on the trail the next day. We don't beat ourselves up. We practice forgiveness. Forgive yourself for mistakes and move on. That's what we're going to be speaking about today. Embarking on a ketogenic lifestyle can be a transformative journey, offering numerous health benefits and a renewed sense of vitality. However, like any significant lifestyle change, it comes with its challenges. One of the most critical yet overlooked aspects of this journey is the practice of self-forgiveness. Mistakes are inevitable, but learning to forgive yourself and move forward is key to long-term success and mental well-being. Let's try to understand the ketogenic lifestyle. Before diving in to the importance of self-forgiveness, let's briefly understand what the ketogenic lifestyle entails. The keto diet and lifestyle focuses on consuming high-fat, moderate protein, and very low carbohydrate foods. This macronutrient distribution shifts the body into a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. This metabolic state can lead to significant weight loss, improved mental clarity, and increased energy levels. Now let's speak about the reality of making mistakes. Transitioning into a keto lifestyle can be a significant adjustment. It's not uncommon to slip up, especially when you're just starting the lifestyle, whether it's accidentally consuming too many carbs, giving in to a craving, or struggling with meal prep. These missteps are part of the process. The key is not to dwell on these mistakes, but to learn from them and to move forward. Now let's talk about why self-forgiveness really matters. Number one, mental well-being. Beating yourself up over every slip-up can lead to feelings of guilt and shame. These negative emotions can be detrimental to your mental health and may even cause you to give up on your goals. Practicing self-forgiveness helps to maintain a positive mindset, essential for long-term success. Number two, resilience. Mistakes are opportunities to learn and grow. When you forgive yourself, you build resilience. You become better equipped to handle future challenges because you understand that perfection is not the goal. Progress is. Number three, sustainable success. The keto lifestyle is not a short-term fix, but a long-term commitment to your health. Forgiving yourself for occasional lapses makes it easier to stay committed in the long run. It shifts your focus from perfection to consistency. Now, let's talk about how to practice self-forgiveness. Number one, acknowledge the mistake. The first step to forgiveness is acknowledging that a mistake was made. This doesn't mean you need to dwell on it, but recognizing it allows you to address it constructively. Number 2, understand the cause. Reflect on why the mistake happened. Were you stressed, unprepared, or unaware of certain nutritional information? Understanding the cause can help you prevent similar mistakes in the future. Number 3, learn and adapt. Use your mistakes as learning opportunities. If you accidentally consumed too many carbs, perhaps you need to plan your meals better or keep healthier snacks on hand. Adapt your strategy to better suit your lifestyle. Number 4, let go of guilt. Guilt serves no productive purpose for any of us. Once you've acknowledged the mistake and learned from it, let go of any lingering guilt. Remember, everyone makes mistakes, and they do not define your journey. Number 5, celebrate your progress. Instead of focusing solely on your mistakes, celebrate your successes. Each step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. Reflecting on your progress can provide motivation and a sense of accomplishment. Now let's talk about moving forward. The path to a successful ketogenic lifestyle is paved with both triumphs and trials. Mistakes are a natural part of the journey, and learning to forgive yourself is crucial. By practicing self-forgiveness, you foster a healthier relationship with yourself and your dietary choices. This mindset not only enhances your keto journey, but also enriches other areas of your life, promoting overall well-being. Remember, the goal is progress, not perfection. Embrace your journey with kindness and patience, and you'll find that self-forgiveness is one of the most powerful tools for achieving lasting success. And there you are. I hope you found this discussion helpful. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below this video. I would be honored if you subscribed to my YouTube channel. And thank you so very much for doing that. Again, this is Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida, and we'll talk again with you tomorrow. Take good care now. Bye-bye.